Hey Raj, just wanted to create a quick video here. I know obviously we had a conversation a week or so ago about recruiting agents and with the new vaccine mandates, at least with Bridge Realty and I'm sure other brokerages. They said there's some pretty big opportunity here in the market, so I just put together like a loose script, something that kind of how I would train agents when they're calling or whatever, and just kind of wanted to run through it rather than just give it to you so that maybe it makes a little more sense. Right off the bat, say you're calling Chris Smith rather than somebody calling and you're like, hey, is this Chris Smith? That puts people on the defense right off the bat. So I'd be like, right off the bat, like, hey, Chris. And then typically it puts people on a different stance that they're like, do I know this person? And then, obviously lead into, hey, this is Jay with Elite Realty. I was calling you because I heard about the mandatory vaccine policies that Bridge Realty has invoked, even though, you're an independent contractor. And I want to let you know that Elite Realty doesn't require vaccines for its agents, and they'll never inquire as to what your vaccine status is. And then this typically should be a pretty hot button. Most people would kind of have a positive or negative reaction to it, either being, something that's negative, saying, yeah, it is kind of bullshit. They shouldn't be able to require me to do that, even though I'm an independent contractor, or it hinders people coming into the office, depending on what their vaccination status is or not. Or obviously, it can be people that are highly pro-vax that are going to say, well, why aren't you doing it? Either way, I still think that it can be a somewhat similar reaction to it. As although Elite Realty follows all the CDC guidelines for cleanliness protocol for keeping its agents, staff safe, while we want to respect everybody's privacy and their right to choose, over their own health care. And then, like I said before, typically a good sales call has a reason and a purpose. So the reason I was calling you, let you know that we don't have a vaccine mandate. But the actual purpose of my call is to let you know about all the things that we can do to, explode your business to the moon. And so the real reason I'm calling you is we recognize, you're a top producer year after year, and let you know that Elite Realty pays 100% commissions to you on the day of your closing. And then obviously we want to stop provoking questions, get people involved on the phone. This work creates a good dialogue rather than people just doing the lame, hey, would you be interested in our, our benefits package? Because we're going to hang up on you in 2 seconds versus, we want to walk through all the stuff that you can do through them. So, what do you think keeping all your hard-earned money would do for your business? Also, any agents you bring into your team or within the agency, you get a $4.95 bonus. And then again, I would do something that's kind of a thought-provoking question, like ask them, at the end of the day, what helps grows your business? And then see if they answer. So I would walk through a couple different things, saying, more money in your pocket, which would pay 100% commissions, and $4.95 for agent recruitment bonus that you can use to grow your team and obviously advertise. The next thing would be efficiencies. We want to spend time working on your business rather than being bogged down with mundane details of certain daily tasks or with your files. And so efficiencies are the next most important thing. It's keeping money, making your business efficient. So with our in-house transaction coordinators, they'll complete your file, from start to finish. And even with the new pay raise, you're still 20% because most people are charging $4.95. So you're 20% less than other Twin Cities brokerages. And then obviously I can help as two people. There's another selling and recruiting tool for you guys. Is obviously we have access to in-house graphic designers and web designers to help you build out your own unique branding, not just some cheesy template like KW site. You can actually get customized websites, logos, branding, apparel, all that type of stuff. And then, okay, what else is most important for your client is obviously being able to stay in front of your client, and show you how to set up automatic drip campaigns. So you can kind of set up a campaign, you can set it and forget it. You're going to stay in front of people, so you're obviously top of mind. And then fourthly, what creates, helps your business is creating value for your clients. So it's not only staying in front of them, but giving you the ability to talk to other vendors so that you can, get discounts and then pass those on to your clients, whether that's for gutter cleaning or leaf raking, snow plowing, pool closing, anything, that kind of has to do with seasonality. And then beyond that, after we walk through obviously the things we can do to help grow their business, that we want to create some scarcity here. So, you decide on what the verbiage is, but I would say something along like, hey, we only take on 5 to 8 agents per month, so we can give the individualized attention and training to help explode their business. And then we want to further create, again, a sense of scarcity, and that, somebody is worthy to be part of our team, and that elite lives by a credo that we're elite agents providing elite results. We're not half-assed here. We're looking for serious agents that want to grow their business. They're talking big time, $300,000-$400,000 a year in GCI. And then again, we want to do what's called like the stack. And so we're going over all the type of stuff that we can do to help them grow their business. We're not being like, hey, you want to see our benefit package? This is what we can do for you to help explore your business. Okay, 100% commissions, day closing, $495. Agent recruitment bonuses. We have access to in-house graphic and web designers to create your own custom brands for a fraction of the cost of other local developers. We can help you with video production for your website, advertising, commercials to build out your own brand. Show you how to create free monthly newsletters and email drip campaigns so you stay in front of all of your clients. We have access to CRM so that you can give your clients the best service and make sure that nothing ever slips through your cracks, as well as obviously harnessing, the ability with our in-house TCs. And then another thing, obviously, is that we want to emphasize that we're a boutique agency. We're not looking to be the biggest person out there. We're not looking to, put butts in the seats here. We're interested in creating a family culture where we truly care about you, doing not only training, but also doing events in the community and happy hours and things of that nature. And then we want to go appeal back to people's egos, saying, we know you've been a top producer for years, and we want to show you the tools and training we can provide for you to help grow your business to the moon. Obviously, we want to have, kind of exponential statements on stuff. And then again, we'd be interested in seeing our benefit package as lame. We're not talking about how we're going to build their business. And we're like, would you like to grab lunch with our broker, Roger, to show you how we can build your business 10x? And again, we only typically take on 5 to 8 agents, create scarcity, and then we're not a huge agency looking to put butts in seats. We're a family looking to make you as successful as possible. And then again, qualifying them, what would be a good day to grab lunch with Roger? It's how I would train people as far as walking them through on phone calls and all that kind of stuff. And then beyond that, you can do, for agents that you have that are new to the brokerage, I would have them making calls and, again, qualifying the database that you have, so it's, top 10 to 15% producing agents within the Twin Cities, and then tell these guys that obviously this is not forever, but at the same time you need to create these skills on how to call people on the phone so that you can listen for nonverbal cues, learn how to deal with objections and isolate them and overcome them, and it makes you stronger so that when you go on listing presentations, so you can see the nonverbal cues as well as the visual cues that you can see there, and then beyond that, for calling vendors to create deals to pass on to the clients, and then beyond that, at the end of the day, to be successful in this business, they have to do lead gen. So they have to, we call it FISBOs or expired listings and things like that. And so this is what they're doing, and I go back to the Karate Kid. These younger kids, obviously, they're not going to know what the hell Karate Kid is, but you can show them this video in a certain sense of why he had them doing certain stuff like cleaning cars and painting fences and all that type of stuff. It's because it built skills that ultimately taught, obviously, Daniel karate. And that's the same thing you're doing here. So we want to teach you how to be strong on the phone and be able to do lead gen down the road. So, and that's just kind of my thoughts.